We're witnessing the dawn of a new era, one where anyone with an internet connection can harness the power of AI to transform their ideas into stunning visuals and multimedia content. Let me show you how this works. Over the last decade, the digital marketing landscape has been dominated by two superpowers: tools that generate images from text and tools that generate videos from text. These tools are known as diffusion models. Now, they've each taken slightly different approaches to achieving their goals. For example, MidJourney uses a pre-trained model called U2 to produce images, while DALL uses a transformer-based architecture known as Clip. But their outcomes are equally impressive. What sets them apart, though, is their accessibility. They've democratized creativity, giving anyone, whether you're a solo creator, a marketer, or even a business owner, the ability to create professional quality visuals without breaking the bank or learning any fancy design skills. So let me ask you, what if you could use these tools to take your social media game to the next level? What if you could create eye-catching visuals that would make your audience stop in their tracks? Well, with tools like MidJourney and DALL, you don't need to be a designer to do just that. You don't even need expensive equipment or spend hours learning complex software. All you need is an internet connection and a few minutes of time. In this video, we Lions take a closer look at how to use these tools to create stunning visuals for your social media posts. Now, diffusion models have come a long way since their inception, and today, there are many options available for those looking to leverage their power. One popular choice is RunwayML, which offers a range of tools for generating images and videos from text. Another great option is Pika Labs, which allows users to create realistic videos of a talking head or avatar using text prompts. Both of these platforms are user-friendly and offer a variety of templates and customization options, making them a great choice for beginners. Additionally, they also have APIs for developers who want to integrate AI models into their own applications. If you're interested in learning more about these tools, I encourage you to check them out and see how they can help you bring your creative vision to life. There's also another side to this story, a revolution in voice technology that will blow your mind. Imagine being able to create a realistic voiceover for your videos or audio recordings with just a few clicks of a button. Well, it's possible thanks to tools like ElevenLabs. Their AI technology enables you to clone your voice and generate custom voiceovers for any project you have in mind. And here's the best part: you don't need to spend a fortune or even have a degree in voice acting to get started. With just 10 minutes of your time and a single piece of equipment, a computer or smartphone, you can start creating high-quality voiceovers that will take your projects to the next level. Whether you're creating videos for social media, e-learning, audiobooks, or anything else, ElevenLabs can help you create a voice that is as unique and memorable as you are. And it's not just about voiceovers. Tools like Synthesia can help you create engaging avatars that can represent your brand or even yourself in videos. You can choose from a wide range of customizable avatars and then train the system on your voice and likeness. The result is a realistic and engaging video that can help you connect with your audience in a whole new way. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Synthesia's platform is easy to use and can be up and running in no time. So why settle for stock footage and generic voiceovers when you can create something truly unique and memorable with AI? Start exploring the possibilities today and see what you can create. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use powerful AI tools to create high-quality videos and audio in minutes. These tools can help you save time and money while still producing professional results. You Lions learn how to leverage the latest AI technology to create videos and audio that engage your audience and bring your creative ideas to life. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start creating high-quality content today. You might be wondering what makes this possible, and the answer lies in the amazing AI tools available to us today. Here are some of the top tools that can help you create high-quality videos and audio in minutes. Firstly, we have RunwayML, a comprehensive AI tool for creating and editing videos and images. It offers various features including text-to-image generation with models like Stable Diffusion, DALL, and easy negative prompts. It also provides tools for editing videos and audio, removing backgrounds, superimposing images, and much more. With RunwayML's user-friendly interface, you can easily create and edit videos in minutes. Next, we have Pika Labs, an AI tool specializing in creating talking head videos with realistic avatars. It offers customizable avatars and the ability to generate videos from text with natural-sounding voices. Pika Labs is perfect for creating professional-looking videos quickly and easily. Then we have ElevenLabs, an AI-powered voice cloning tool that allows you to clone your voice in minutes. You can record a few minutes of speech and the tool will automatically clone your voice for use in future projects. This saves time and money and is perfect for creating voiceovers for videos, audio recordings, and more. Lastly, we have Synthesia, an AI tool for creating videos with customizable avatars. You can choose from a library of avatars and then train the system on your voice and likeness to create a realistic video. This is perfect for creating videos that engage your audience and bring your brand to life. These tools are available to everyone in the USA and UK, and they are completely free to use. You don't need any technical expertise or expensive equipment to get started. With just a few minutes of your time and internet connection, you can start creating high-quality videos and audio today. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer or voice actor to create professional-looking content. These tools are so easy to use, you'll be able to create stunning videos and audio in no time. Let us take a look at some examples of how these tools can be used to create high-quality content. With RunwayML, you can create stunning videos and images in minutes. With its easy-to-use interface, you can choose from a wide range of templates and customization options to create unique and engaging content. Pika Labs is perfect for creating realistic talking head videos with customizable avatars. With its AI-powered technology, you can generate videos from text in a matter of minutes. And if you're looking to clone your voice, ElevenLabs is the perfect solution. With just a few minutes of recording, you can create a realistic clone of your voice for use in future projects. Finally, Synthesia is an excellent tool for creating engaging videos with customizable avatars. You can choose from a library of avatars and then train the system on your voice and likeness to create a truly unique video experience. By leveraging the power of these tools, you can create high-quality videos and audio that will captivate your audience. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some real-world examples of how people are using these tools to create amazing content. Imagine being able to create a professional-looking video with a stunning visual concept in just a few minutes. You don't need to hire a videographer or spend hours editing footage. Thanks to tools like MidJourney, you can generate realistic images from text prompts in no time. And when combined with RunwayML's advanced editing features, you can create a seamless and engaging video that will leave your audience in awe. But what if you want to add a personal touch to your videos? That's where Pika Labs comes in. With Pika Labs, you can create a talking head video with a realistic avatar that represents your brand or business. You can choose from a range of customizable avatars and generate videos from text with natural-sounding voices. This is perfect for creating tutorials, product demos, or simply adding a human face to your brand. And what if you want to take your audio to the next level? With tools like ElevenLabs, you can clone your voice and generate custom voiceovers in minutes. No more hiring voice actors or struggling with poor audio quality. Simply record a few minutes of your voice and let ElevenLabs do the rest. This can save you time and money while still producing professional quality results. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and see what you can create. Create with the best. If you want to know more about how AI is transforming the world of content creation, stay tuned for more updates. Don't miss out on the latest developments in AI technology and how you can use them to take your creativity to the next level. Thanks for watching.